Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with essentials. Confirm your carrier voicemail is active and have your PIN ready so you won't pause mid-setup. Open the phone app now, tap the three-dot menu or voicemail icon to enter voicemail settings. Once there, choose Setup or Greeting. This is the moment you'll record. Make sure your microphone access is allowed because otherwise Android won't capture audio. If you have visual voicemail, pick it for simpler playback and trimming. It saves time and makes editing easier. Now you record. Select Custom Greeting and press Record. Speak clearly at a conversational pace so callers understand tone and details. You can pause and re-record multiple takes because clarity matters more than length. Once recorded, use the built-in trim or edit tool to remove silence or mistakes. Make sure the message is concise and includes key info like your name and callback expectation. After saving, test the greeting by calling from another line. Listen for volume, background. Finish by saving and marking the new custom greeting as active. Replay it in voicemail settings to confirm the exact message callers hear. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb or app permissions aren't blocking microphone access. If audio is muffled, toggle microphone permission and re-record. If callers still get the old greeting or the greeting won't save, check your carrier voicemail status and restart the phone. As a last resort, reset voicemail via carrier or contact support. Often the issue is network side, not your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.